Hi guys! So this is it, the last week of school, your last week of learning from home. And I've kept your assignment pretty simple this week. Your goal is to write a friendly thank you or goodbye to one teacher and one friend. So I don't care who that teacher is. I don't care who that friend or classmate is. I want you to think of something nice that someone's done for you this school year that you can say thank you to, or send them a goodbye, I'll miss you, and show your appreciation for them. So that's all you have to do. I have spread this out, as you can see, through the entire week. And at the end of the week, you have to post the names of the teacher and the friend that you emailed. I don't need to see the emails. Those are your own personal notes, but I just want to know that you did it. So under the post section for this week's assignments, just say, I sent my letters to so-and-so and so-and-so. That's it. You get credit for it and you're done. If you're really smart about it, guys, this is the last week of school. You could get this done on Monday. So it's up to you. I have spread it out through the week, or you can just front load it, get it done, and you are done for the year. And with all of that said, I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys for really kind of bearing with me as we figured all of this out. I know it was new for all of your teachers and your principals and you guys and your parents, and it was a challenge for everyone. But man, did you guys step up to the plate. You did some fantastic work for me. You guys continue to be active and involved in your learning, so thank you for that. We will have a great year next year, I know it. I am really hopeful that we'll be back at the start of the school year, but whenever we return, I know we're going to get right back into the swing of things, and it's going to be great because we still have 2 more good years together. So guys, thanks for everything that you have done, being patient with all my technical difficulties throughout as we figured it out. But know that I am so proud of you. So I want you guys to have a great summer. Be safe. Have fun. Keep in touch. Feel free to shoot me an email. I still check email all year long. So if you do anything exciting, send me a picture from vacation if you go anywhere. And I will see you guys next year. Have a good summer. See you. Bye.